In this video, I will show you how to integrate ShineOn to Etsy. First, log into your ShineOn account. Now, open a new tab and in the search bar type Order Desk ShineOn, then hit Enter. From the results, click on the one that says ShineOn plus Order Desk. Once you're on that page, click Add ShineOn to Order Desk. After that, look to the left side of the screen and click on Manage Integrations. In the search bar, type Etsy and hit Enter. When it shows up, just click Enable. Next, select Connect to Etsy. If you already have an Etsy account, just log in. If not, you can quickly create one. And once you're connected, head back to Order Desk, and you will see that Etsy is now linked to your ShineOn account. And that's how to integrate ShineOn to Etsy.